Yeah, it's me, back again for another video. Alfie Moon 05, doing a taste test today, and I am joined by another YouTuber. Her channel is not got no subscribers.
Yeah, it has.
Okay, it's got 1 subscriber.
No, it hasn't. It's got 10 actually, thanks.
10 subscribers, okay. Last time I looked at it, it had no subscribers.
No, because I made Chloe subscribe, loads of people from school. So I mean, he's got like, oh no, I think it's like 15, 10 to 15.
Oh, okay. I've got no subscribers. Can you tell some people to...
So guys, subscribe to me and Alfie.
This one. Subscribe to this one. This one.
You idiot. So subscribe to him and me.
Please.
Also, go follow me on Instagram.
And me. I don't have Instagram. Yeah, I do. I just don't know what it's called.
Okay. Mine's called gamergirlbumble XX. How about Snapchat?
I don't know that either. Twitter, I don't know that either.
I don't even have Twitter anymore.
I do. I'm putting down in the description.
Facebook.
I'll put it in the description. I don't have Facebook anymore.
Okay, so just, right.
So the first thing we're going to be doing is the
bacon
bacon.
rashes. Have you even told us what we're doing?
Oh,
Also,
yeah,
guys, we've got some crisps. We've got 4 packets of crisps. We're going to be trying
if you're thinking why it is empty, we've tried to do this like
a million times.
Yeah, we tried to record it, but like it was just like we haven't opened the crisps, as you can see. Look.
No, I already opened them. Yeah, he thinks they're not open, but I opened them for this video specifically.
Look, so you have to open them already.
Oh.
Done.
I thought them ones were the ones.
Okay, yeah, these we're going to be doing these ones first. They're bacon rashers.
Okay, so we have
And the crispy bacon flavour.
We just randomly went into Tesco's and bought like some packs of crisps.
Yeah, okay, there's one. Yeah, we've got 1, wait.
1, 2, 3, 12.
We've got 4. And we'll give that a 7.5 because it has...
We're going to be rating them out of 10.
Oh, yeah. I'll give that 7.5 because it's not got a lot of bacon flavours. It's just got, if it had more bacon flavours, it would have been alright.
I would give that 8.5.
I'll have another one.
But
go for that.
for a snack, okay, like if you're not feeling too hungry and you don't want too much flavour, you just want, I don't know, plain biscuit, something I'd recommend them.
Yeah. So they're called bacon rashers.
Rashes. You need to clean that up after this video, by the way. Okay, we can do it right now.
Okay.
So, I'm showing
Pushing
you.
off now.
The next one, I just had a bit of water. The next one we're going to be doing is a sort of crunchy sticks. And now you get them in the Tesco pack. You get onion rings, crisp them,
Onion
what's
rings.
it sort of things, and that's it. So
Yeah.
we've tried the rest. We've never tried these ones.
Yeah.
We've tried salt and vinegar like Walkers and stuff, but we've never actually tried these. So
Okay. Just so I don't like salt and vinegar crisps. So I'm going to give that a 3. But I didn't get that much taste in that one, so I'm going to taste another one.
Have 2 at the same time.
After that. Or too much vinegar. If I had a little bit less of vinegar, it would have been nice. Alright.
Guys,
Now we've got...
we'll show which one. No, let's do rock paper. So I'm going for like mango. You're going for lime.
Okay.
So whoever wins, he's got lime. I've got mango.
Okay.
Do a best of 1.
Rock,
Paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Damn it.
Okay, we get to choose these lime ones first.
Now, before we started this video last week, we described that we didn't realise that they said red chilli and chutney on the side.
And on the back it says what happens. It goes first the sweet spice aroma. Then the fruit hit of juicy mango, finishing with the warmth of chili. So there's chili in there, and then it goes first a hit of Tensy lime, Zency lime.
We haven't read this one yet.
Then the hit of coriander, finishing the taste of mild chili.
Okay, so we're a bit worried about these ones because you know chili.
Yeah.
We just thought they were mango and lime ones, but we never had a mango and lime crisp. They're popcorns, by the way.
They
We do have to smell them first.
Okay.
I don't eat until I'm ready.
Look, this is what a poppadom looks like.
Oh, they smell like
Wait, isn't poppadoms bigger?
Huh?
Aren't they much bigger poppadoms?
Yeah, normally.
Yeah, they're like big, like that big.
Right, I'm just gonna get my water ready
But
because this is really spicy.
Okay,
Look how much
so it
get your
goes.
water, I'm done ready.
So it goes lime, and so the first taste you get is lime, and I'm guessing the aftertaste is chili.
I'm ready. I'm
Okay,
scared.
ready?
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Three,
I'm just gonna hold it. Hang on, I got it.
3, 2, 1,
one.
go. Oh, aha. Lime.
I can't taste chili.
I think it's got a bit of chili in it, cause it's like coming and going, coming and going, coming and going.
You can't really taste it though.
But it's like at the back of your throat if you swallow it. If you had the whole thing.
No. It's a bit spicy
I'm
on
gonna
your
rate this-
lips. It's a bit spicy on your lips, but
Not
really
fully.
in your mouth.
Not like chili. If you had a bit chili. This next one's probably going to be spicy because it's red chili.
I don't like mango either.
I like mango.
I'm just gonna have one more bit and then we'll see these later.
Okay, yeah, these are really nice. So I'll give this a 9. 9.5. Had loads of flavours to it.
I'll give it 10 because it wasn't that spicy, but it was just spicy enough for me.
I'm going to give it a 9. It had loads of flavours. But yeah,
no, actually, I'm going to give it a 9.5 because I didn't really, at the start, I didn't really taste too much lime. All I tasted was an inch, like a tiny bit of lime.
yeah, well,
I don't know, normal flavours of temptations again.
Yeah.
And some poppadom, that was it.
okay, now we're going to go on to the mango and red chili.
Cut me. Chop
If
me.
you can pause that if you want, read that.
And that's the back, by the way.
Yep.
Guys, these we're having with crisps and we've never had them before. No one's ever had them. Are they spicy?
No, they smell nice. They smell of
No,
fruits.
Martin.
They smell of fruits.
Oh, look at the colour of them.
Oh.